ABT Sportsline has unveiled a comprehensive tuning kit for the Q8 and SQ8 crossovers. In the case of the SQ8, the kit boosts the stock engine's power by almost 150 horsepower, making it even more powerful than the official Audi RS Q8. The upgrade package, which also includes modifications to the exterior, suspension, and interior, is priced at €35,500. After a custom ECU upgrade, the 4.0-liter turbocharged V8 engine in the Audi SQ8 produces 650 horsepower and 850 newton-meters of torque, 10 horsepower more than the RS Q8, though with similar torque figures. ABT is also working on a similar upgrade for the 3.0-liter V6 in the standard Audi Q8, but performance figures for this are yet to be disclosed. The exterior modifications include new aerodynamic elements, such as a splitter, fender air intakes, a rear spoiler, and a diffuser. The crossover can also be equipped with 22 or 23-inch wheels and a new air suspension control module that lowers ground clearance by 25 millimeters. The interior package includes new carbon fiber trim and ABT branded badges. The most expensive part of the kit is the ECU, priced at €11,500. The body kit costs €6,400, while the new wheels can cost up to €9,500. Audi introduced the updated RS Q8 earlier this summer, so a tuning package for it is likely in development at ABT. In 2023, however, ABT showcased the Scatenato special project based on the Lamborghini Urus, equipped with the same engine and tuned to 810 horsepower. Similar upgrades may soon be available for the German SUV as well.